Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, EcoFlow River 2 Pro, and now I'm going to show you how to stop discharge level on this device. To do this, first of course, you should connect your device to the mobile application. Then, if you don't know how to do that, watch our video about it. And then afterwards, you should open this application. Here, find your River 2 Pro and click on the settings button on the right top corner of the screen. And here, as you can see, we have energy management, and we can change the discharge limit. For example, in my case, it's set up to the 21%. So when my battery falls to 21%, it shows that it will not charge any devices because this is the reserved capacity. Okay, so for example, you can set it up to 30% max and down to 0%. So for example, I want to use it on 15%, for example, just to even when my device will be discharged, I will be able to open this application, change discharge limit, and charge my device, for example, when I charge my smartphone. And cool, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video. Hope this video was helpful for you, and bye. See you.